Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can make your custom channel intro for your YouTube channel. So let's start the video. First of all, what you need to do is just download any template. I will recommend you to use Velocify. So let's go with this one. Click on the download button. I've already downloaded this video, so I'll get to the location. So after this, you need to do is just extract this folder to the desired location. And open this untitled file. Now zoom in into the timeline and click on this little movie icon and just change text to your channel name. You can browse through the various options available here, so I'll just change the font. So here we go. And as you can see, it worked perfectly fine. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for further updates. Till then, take care, bye bye.